diagnosis of silica-related disease unfortunately brings with it a range of financial implications that can significantly impact both the individual and their family. The financial impact can extend far beyond immediate medical costs, influencing long-term employment prospects like future employability and return to work, and overall financial stability. This lesson provides a summary of these impacts, covering key areas such as working after a diagnosis, workers' compensation, common law damages claims, and broader financial considerations like life insurance and financial planning. After a diagnosis, individuals are often unable to continue their current occupation, especially if it involves ongoing exposure to silica dust or other physical hazards. This necessitates a careful consideration of alternate employment options, which may require new skills or qualifications. The loss of a familiar and well-paying job can be emotionally and financially challenging, particularly if it leads to reduced earnings. Workers' compensation schemes offer vocational rehabilitation and retraining programs to try and help workers transition to new careers. Ideally, these programs offer financial support and training for roles that take in consideration the limitations imposed on you by your silica-related disease. However, the retraining process can be time-consuming, unavailable to you in your region, and may not always guarantee comparable earnings, adding to the financial stress. So it is important to consider all of your options. Workers' compensation is designed to provide financial support to those who have been diagnosed with silica-related disease as a result of a workplace exposure. Workers' compensation can include coverage for initial medical expenses, lost wages, and other related benefits. Think of workers' compensation as an initial financial safety net for those affected by these diseases. The process of lodging a workers' compensation claim and the entitlements available vary by state. Each state has its own rules and regulations, which influence the amount and type of compensation an individual can receive. If you have been exposed to dust in more than one state, you may have several choices as to where you lodge your workers' compensation claim. It is therefore important to understand these differences, to navigate the system effectively and secure the maximum benefits. If in doubt, you should seek the guidance of an experienced lawyer. In addition to workers' compensation, most workers affected by silica-related disease have the option to pursue common law damages claims against employers, manufacturers of harmful products, and/or other responsible parties. Damages claims often result in significant additional compensation, and this compensation can be crucial in covering long-term medical care, economic loss, and compensating for pain and suffering. Due to the complexities involved in common law damages claims, seeking professional legal advice is highly recommended. Legal professionals with expertise in occupational diseases can help navigate the process and time limits, ensuring that individuals understand their rights and options and maximise their compensation entitlements. A diagnosis of silica-related disease may allow for early access to superannuation funds under specific circumstances, such as severe illness, financial hardship, and compassionate grounds. Whilst accessing these funds can provide immediate financial relief, it can also reduce the amount available for retirement. Consulting with a financial planner is advisable to understand the long-term impacts of early superannuation withdrawal. Individuals may also be able to lodge claims on income protection, total and permanent disablement, or other terminal illness life insurance benefits available via their superannuation fund or standalone life insurance provider. Understanding the terms and conditions of your level of insurance cover is important to understand and determine eligibility. Life insurance payouts can provide much needed financial support, but it is crucial to understand the conditions of making a claim and process. Given the complexity of the financial, medical, and emotional implications of a diagnosis of silica-related disease, it is important to consult with expert and specialised dust diseases lawyers and qualified and experienced financial planners. These experts provide tailored advice based on individual circumstances, helping to manage financial challenges effectively. It is important to seek out qualified and accredited professionals, such as those affiliated with financial planning associations and those lawyers recognised as accredited specialists by the various state-based law societies. These experts provide valuable guidance in navigating the financial aspects of a silica-related disease diagnosis. A diagnosis of silica-related disease carries significant financial implications, affecting your ongoing employment and long-term financial security. Understanding the available options, from workers' compensation and common law damages to broader financial considerations, is crucial for managing these challenges effectively. By seeking professional advice from relevant and experienced specialists and taking proactive steps, individuals can better secure their financial future while managing their health.